Good morning. Second video of the day. I had to wait a little bit only so we can get enough lighting in here, but this floor in the city of Habra will be sanded down. First, there's going to be some repairs in some of the areas. It's a bit beaten up, but it will be sanded down and stained white color. As you can see, they already got started in some of the areas, mainly because, like I said earlier on, it was just a little on the dark side. You didn't get much lighting, but now you can see the process already started. This area is going to be a little tricky because we have a bit of a rise on the boards. They're popping up just a little bit, but they're solid, so it probably happened during the day of the installation, just lifted up a little. But we're going to be working around that area. So here's some of the repairs. Another little repair right over here. And one just behind that fridge where it was at. All in all, in reality, it should take maybe a day and a half, and that's only because we have to stain it. So, everything's going smoothly so far.